Introduction to Revolut Business API. Revolut Business API is a powerful tool that allows businesses to automate and streamline their financial operations. The API provides a secure and efficient way to manage payments, invoices, and other financial tasks. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of getting started with Revolut Business API and provide practical examples of how to use it. Setting up Revolut Business API. To start using Revolut Business API, you need to create a Revolut Business account and apply for API access. Once you have been approved, you will receive a unique API key that you can use to authenticate your API requests. You can find the API key in the Revolut Business dashboard under the API Settings section. Understanding API endpoints. Revolut Business API provides a range of endpoints that allow you to perform different financial tasks. These endpoints include payment initiation, invoice creation, and account management. Each endpoint has its own set of parameters and authentication requirements. You can find a list of available endpoints in the Revolut Business API documentation. Making API requests. To make an API request, you need to send a HTTP request to the relevant endpoint. You can use a programming language like Python or Java to send the request. You need to include your API key in the request header to authenticate the request. The API will respond with a JSON object that contains the result of the request. Practical example. For example, to create a new payment, you can send a POST request to the payment initiation endpoint. You need to include the payment amount, recipient account number, and other relevant details in the request body. The API will respond with a payment ID that you can use to track the status of the payment. Best practices. When using Revolut Business API, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure security and efficiency. You should always use a secure connection to send API requests and never share your API key with anyone. You should also handle errors and exceptions properly to prevent disruptions to your business operations. Conclusion. Revolut Business API is a powerful tool that can help businesses automate and streamline their financial operations. By following this guide, you can get started with Revolut Business API and start using it to manage your financial tasks. Remember to always follow best practices and use the API securely to ensure the integrity of your financial data. With Revolut Business API, you can improve the efficiency and productivity of your business and stay ahead of the competition.